In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a channel in your favorite chat application, ensuring your workspace remains neat and well organized. Archiving a channel is a simple yet effective way to declutter your sidebar and keep your focus only on active conversations. So let's dive right in and go through the steps you need to follow to successfully archive a channel. First, look towards the sidebar in your chat application, where all your channels are conveniently listed. This is where you'll begin your journey. Find and click on the name of the channel you want to archive. This step is essential as it helps you to narrow down exactly which channel you're going to work on, especially if you have a busy workspace with many channels. Once you've clicked on the channel name from the sidebar, direct your attention to the top of the window. Here, within the conversation header, you'll see the channel name once more. Click on it. This action ensures that you're accessing the right settings menu directly associated with the desired channel, minimizing any chance of archiving the wrong one accidentally. After clicking the channel name in the header, you'll notice a pop-up window appearing. This is your gateway to numerous options and settings, one of which will allow you to archive the channel. In this pop-up window, locate the option labeled Settings and click on it. Accessing the settings is where you'll find control over various channel functions, including archiving. Now, within the settings, scroll down through the options presented. Keep going until you find the option specifically for channel archiving, labeled Archive Channel for Everyone. Once you've located this option, click on it. Scrolling and selecting this option is a crucial step in ensuring the action affects all members and the channel gets effectively archived for everyone involved. Finally, a confirmation prompt will appear to ensure you're ready to proceed. At this point, click Archive Channel to confirm your choice. This final confirmation is your opportunity to double-check and commit to archiving the channel, making this action official. And just like that, you've successfully archived the channel for everyone involved in just a few straightforward steps. By following these steps, you've not only helped clean up your space, but also improved the efficiency of your communication environment. Remember, archiving doesn't delete any information, it simply hides it from the main list, allowing you to revisit it should the need arise. Thank you for joining in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful for maintaining a tidy workspace.